Gen Z may be leading the charge in alcohol-free and alcohol-light lifestyles. But across generations, did you know nearly 1 in 2 American adults say they're trying to drink less alcohol in 2025? For bar owners, this presents both a challenge and an opportunity to maximize mocktails. A mocktail is a non-alcoholic drink that's as desirable looking as a traditional cocktail, perfect for guests who want the mixology experience while remaining sober. There are many reasons customers choose non-alcoholic options, and understanding them can help you better market these offerings. Sobriety. Many people live a completely sober lifestyle for various reasons. Adding mocktails to your menu gives these customers something fun to order and enjoy without feeling judgment or pressure. Dry months. Dry January officially launched as a campaign in 2013 under the organization Alcohol Change UK. 71% of people who participated in abstaining from alcohol for the month said they realized they don't need an alcoholic drink to enjoy themselves, according to research by the University of Sussex. Health concerns. Some guests avoid alcohol for health reasons, as overconsumption is proven to have adverse short and long-term effects. Hangovers. Sometimes people simply want a break. Consider marketing mocktails as hangover cures, especially on brunch menus. While production costs are lower without alcohol, guests still want to enjoy a high-quality drink with ingredients worthy of their dollar. Be sure to price your mocktails appropriately. Train your staff to recommend these options, especially to designated drivers or guests who mention they're not drinking. Remember to promote your non-alcoholic offerings on social media to attract the growing sober-curious demographic. You can also add mocktail menu inserts or display them on tables so guests know you have non-alcoholic drinks available. Remember, your bar doesn't just sell alcohol, it sells experiences. Offering mocktails is an inclusive approach that can expand your customer base and boost overall revenue. Comment with your favorite mocktails and subscribe for more tips.